It was a chilly November morning in downtown Boston, the kind where everyone moved fast, scarves pulled tight, eyes down, coffee in hand, including Grayson Holt, CEO of one of the most powerful tech firms in the country. He wasn't just rich, he was untouchable. People either feared him or needed something from him. That day, as his car pulled up outside the towering corporate building, Grayson noticed something odd. A little girl, maybe 6 or 7, stood on the sidewalk. Her eyes locked on him, but not with fear or admiration, with hope. Before security could stop her, she walked right up to him. Her coat was too thin for the weather, her shoes a size too small, but her voice didn't shake. Sir, could you pretend to be my daddy, just for one day? Everything stopped. Grayson blinked. What? She looked up at him with the most serious brown eyes he'd ever seen. Today's daddy-daughter day at school. But I don't have one. Grayson stood frozen. People whispered, security, waited for his cue, but something deep inside him stirred a memory, a wound, something from long ago. Without answering, he knelt to her level and gently asked, where's your mom? She's at work. She said she couldn't come. And your real dad? The little girl looked away. He left. Before I was born. She handed him a crumpled flyer. Bring your dad to school, 2nd grade class, 10 a.m. today. No, you're probably busy. She added, but you look like you wear nice suits. That's what daddies wear, right? Grayson, the man known for turning down even billion-dollar deals without blinking, looked at the little girl and said something no one expected. All right, kid, let's go. The school was a modest public elementary, just outside the city center. He sat in a tiny chair, colored with crayons, and introduced himself to the class as Mr. Holt, Ava's temporary He helped her build a spaghetti tower, read Goodnight Moon, and even danced awkwardly during music time. But the strangest part, he was smiling. Genuinely smiling. The teacher, Miss Carter, pulled him aside. You may not realize this, but Ava doesn't usually talk to anyone. She's been quiet ever since her grandmother passed away last spring. Grayson looked through the glass at Ava, laughing with 2 other girls. She asked me to be her dad for one day, but I think she gave me something even bigger. The note that shook him as they walked back to the building where his driver waited. Ava turned to him, You don't have to come again. I know you're important. He laughed gently. Maybe I'm not as important as I think. Then she reached into her small backpack and pulled out a folded paper. I made this in class. It's for you. It was a drawing, crude, but clear. A tall man holding the hand of a little girl. Above their heads, a heart. Beneath it, the words, Thank you for making me feel normal. He froze. Not even the awards on his office wall, not the Forbes cover or the keynote stages, had ever made him feel this. Human. Before she walked away, she whispered, if you ever need a daughter, I could be yours. Just for pretend. Grayson can't forget Ava, and he tracks down her struggling single mom. The media finds out, and the situation spirals. But when Ava goes missing in a sudden twist, Grayson faces the most emotional moment of his life and must decide who he really is beneath the suits.